Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to customize Google Chrome to make it look and work the way you want. First, open a new Chrome tab, click on Customize button on the top right, and you can change the appearance, like you can change the background, you can change the theme, and you can change the mode into light, dark, or device. If you want to take it a step further, go to the three dots on your top right. Go to Settings and go to Appearance. You have much more flexibility, and from here, you can enable a home button, and you can enable and disable Bookmark Bar, and many more. You can also customize font and page zoom. Your Chrome browser will now reflect your customization. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.